That's it.
Right, how big is it? Does it open up?
Alright, this is about the narrowest.
Right, okay.
You will have to come out backwards though. Take your time with all the mineral deposits.
Right. Oh yeah, Flowstone. Look at that, beautiful. Oh, stalactites up there. Yeah, definitely one of the best caves for Flowstone, caveness. Right. Yeah, that's us just about the end of the cave. Yeah.
Yes, a little bit of this side of the time, yeah.
I wonder how far it goes in, because you can see there's a rocky platform, but I don't think it goes in too far after that. Right, you have to back because I'm going to ground.
Please won't let us go back. Right, hold on, wait Dave, there's Peter's behind me.
Right.
Peter go.
Right.
Peter, give us a shout with your boat that's behind us, eh?
Okay. Right.
We're going to go here. Please, stay behind us.
That's it.
You ready, Dave?
Yeah. Right. Yeah. Yeah, that's the marker for that cave, the Flowstone, is called Stan. Right. Castle now. So here we have Bucholly Castle. The old name is Lambaborg Castle. Thought to have been at one time held by Sweyn Asleifsson, the Viking, who has been mentioned in the Atlantic saga. See the rocks are tilted. At 70 degrees. Alright.
Charlie Richard, this is Shetland Coast Guard over. Roger, could you go channel 67 and stand by, over? Stand by.
Pulled in on the left. Gulls. We nest in this area, making the presence known. outside of Bucholly Castle. Bucholly Castle on the left. So you see there's not much left of the castle now. I think it was held by the clan Mowat for the Mowats for a while
I like the ones with the alien.
in history, but later on after the Viking time.
No, they're kind of looking in the eye, we don't see them.
You can see how almost horizontal strata here, where it's just faulted there with that tilt. It's quite amazing. So here we can see some buckling folding in the rock. So here we're at November Delta 38196592.
Were you calling? We're just at Buchollie. You probably passed us. We're in the harbour at the back. We're just heading back as well. Over.
So you can see actually there's a fault, and you can see the rocks being buckled like this.
Ian, this is Seacast Ian. We're just past the castle itself. See you shortly. Out.
Sorry, I'll say that again. It's actually a fault, and the rocks have been curved round like so. Almost in a semicircle. You can see here the fault in as well on the other side, and the strata's almost vertical.
Okay, Gavin, just Ian, we're just coming behind you. I've got you in sight now. Roger, Gavin.
You can see how fractured the rocks are under the castle. Slight displacement there, but a third of the way down. There must be a mighty tectonic activity going on between the Devonian and these way down. We are at the south side of Bucholly Castle. You can see underneath the tunnels, natural tunnels, eroded over the rock. There's the entrance up there. some outer walls. No. Yeah.